Welcome to day 5 of the detox. Today's theme is to be kind. Now that stems first and foremost, be kind to yourself. When we fill up our own cup, we can help to fill up others. So being kind and careful with your body today, so be a little more restorative. To begin, we're actually going to start seated. So find a comfortable seat. That can be cross-legged or up on a little pillow, however you find comfort. Take your hands to your knees and a little back bend, arching the spine, and then extend the arms out all the way, taking chin to chest. Repeat that. Inhale, back bending, and exhale, rounding the spine. Inhale, lift up tall through the chest. Exhale, rounding the spine. Inhale, and exhale, rounding. Inhale, lift on up tall, round the spine. Side bending, reach the right arm up overhead. Inhale back to center, switch, left arm reaches up and over. One more, each side, left hand down, right arm up. And right hand down, left arm up. Take this into a twist, so left hand comes over the right knee, lift up tall through the chest, inhale. Use your exhale to twist. Switch sides, right hand over the left knee, inhale, long spine. Exhale, twist, bring it out to the left. Continue to breathe. Back to center. Hug both of your knees in, lift up tall through the spine, and then round. Exhale, chin to chest. Again, inhale, lifting up tall. Exhale, rounding, arms extend. Inhale, chest extends. Exhale, round. Inhale, and exhale. With the breath, inhale, lifting up tall. Exhale, round the spine. Inhale, coming back up. Arms extend out in front, lower your way onto your back. If you need a little extra space, remember, be kind and make that space. So now, without moving the feet too much, drop your knees over to the right side. Come on back to center, over to the left. Or we're going to switch side to side. Take it over to the left. Now come on back to center. Bring your toes in. Cross your right ankle over your left knee. It's a reclining pigeon. Right foot stays flexed. You can weave your hands through the space of your legs. Grab the back of the left thigh. Your head, your shoulders are relaxed to the mat. And keep breathing here as maybe you guide that right knee forward a little bit. As you lower your left foot down to the floor, grab the back of your right thigh or your right calf, stretching out the hamstring. Last option, extend your left leg out in front of you. Same as the pigeon, you want to have your shoulders and the back of your head connected to the floor. Now take this into a twist. Hug your right knee into your chest. Deep breath in. And exhale, knee drops over to the left. Your right shoulder stays connected to the mat. On the next inhale, come on back to center. We're going to switch sides. So starting out with the pigeon, cross your left ankle over your right knee this time. Left foot stays flexed. Right, you can weave the arm through, grab the back of your right thigh. Again, shoulders, head, relaxed, connected to the mat. And then drawing your left knee towards the front of the mat. I'm going to feel that in the outer left hip, most importantly. Now working into the hamstring stretch, lower your right foot down. We grab the back of the left thigh with one or both hands. Or maybe working the hand up to the calf. Lastly, you can extend the right leg out in front of you. See where your mind goes, your focus goes. Try and keep it within your body, within your breath. Take it into a twist. Draw the left knee into your chest. On the exhale, drop the knee to the right. Deep breath in. Exhale, twisting. Inhale. And exhale. Come on back to center. Both knees hug into the chest. And we're going to make our way up to seated. So extend the legs out in front of you, sit up nice and tall. Again, if you need a little prop underneath the butt, go and grab it. We're going to twist, take the right hand behind you, left arm reaches up, inhale, exhale, twisting to the right. Keep lifting the chest up on the inhale, and twist on the exhale. In, and out. Back to center, counter twist over to the left. Come on back to center, and we take this into side bend. So take the sole of your right foot to the inside of the left thigh. Here the right arm reaches up overhead. Now imagine stacking your right ribs on top of your left, and as if you could lift the right ribs up a little bit higher with each inhale. Come back to center, square the hips off as we prepare in a forward fold. Long spine, inhale, and exhale, folding. Move with the breath, inhale, folding on the exhale. Inhale, come on back to center. We're going to switch sides, so bend that left knee, sole of the foot comes down. Right arm reaches up, inhale. Exhale, twisting to the left. Remember to lift the chest on the inhale, and find a twist from the core, exhale. Back to center, counter twist over to the right. Inhale to rise. Sole of the left foot comes inside the right thigh. Right, your right hand comes down, left arm reaches up overhead. Side bending. Deep breath into the left lungs as if they could elevate or float like a balloon. Inhale, rise back up. Now preparing in the fold, square the hips off. That's good for your low back. So take that time to do so. Inhale, lengthen, and exhale, forward folding over the right leg. Right, better to stay up high than to round the spine, just to come down closer. Inhale, rise back up. Scoot yourself to the front of the mat. And come into pigeon pose on the right side. So as the right shin comes down, sweep your left leg behind you. Right, you want to see your right knee in line with your right hip. The left thigh wraps down. Make sure there's no pain in the right knee. If you can move the foot forward a little bit more, but there's no added benefit if you're already feeling it. Feel free to stay upright on the fingertips like me, or the option to come onto your forearms. Go for the greatest sensation in the outer right hip. Breathe here. Inhale, come on back up to the fingertips. Shift the weight over towards your right hip. We're going to twist. Left leg comes out in front. Cross your left ankle over the right knee. Reach the right arm up overhead, and you're going to hook your elbow over the left knee. Like our twist before, lift from the chest, and then twist on the exhale. Come on back to center, unravel the legs. We're going to switch pigeon on the left side. So sweep the right leg behind you. Give yourself a moment to get set up. Again, it's about feeling sensation in the outer left hip. So give yourself the proper positioning. Find a place where you can settle for a few breaths. And when you're ready, walk the hands out in front or coming onto your forearms. Keep breathing here, keeping your focus. Keep it interesting. or just knowing where your mind wanders when it does take off. All of these are valuable. There's no right or wrong, it's just what you feel. Come on back up to the fingertips, shift the weight over to your left hip this time. Sweep the right leg around for the twist. Right, left arm reaches up, inhale, exhale, twisting to the right. Coming back to center. Unravel those legs, set on up in a bow pose. Right, stay with your fingertips on the mat. Shins are parallel to the floor, or the option to float the arms by your side. Palms face in towards one another. Stay focused if it helps. Even give a smile. And let's take a back bend. Inhale. You're going to lower all the way down towards your back. Coming into Supta Baddha Konasana, knees drop out to the side. Your right hand connects to your belly. Your left hand comes over your heart. And feel both your breath and your heartbeat. We're going to be here for a few rounds of breathing. So just be and feel. And as you release the hands, gently guide the knees in towards one another. Hug the knees into your chest. You're going to cross your right shin over your left. Grab the tops of your feet. And then switch. Release both of them. And take a few rolls. Knees going in one direction. And then switch it, go in the other direction. Once again, rock your way up to seated, any fun way that you want to. From a cross-legged seated position, take the hands to the knees, inhale, a little back bend, just like in the beginning. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. Inhale, lift up tall. Exhale, rounding. One more. Inhale, lengthening, lifting. Exhale, rounding. Come back up to neutral. Once again, side bend, right hand down, left arm lifts up and over. Inhale, back to center, left hand down, right arm reaches up. One more each side, right hand down, left arm lifting. And switch sides. Back on up, wrap it up with a twist, twisting to the left. And take it over to the right. Come on back to center. Arms up overhead, palms connect. Hands meet at heart center. And kindness, gratitude to yourself. That concludes day 5, Be Kind, of the Detox Series. See you tomorrow for day 6.